As you can see, this is my PE interactive newsletter for young children and their families. Here I have the simple chart for fruits, grains, vegetables, proteins, and dietary needs for the myplate.org. Down here is where I explain what MyPlate is and the guidelines for it, and what it is to be healthy. And then you see as the website is listed below. Another thing is the benefits that comes along with the MyPlates. And there are so many different things that children need to learn for the MyPlate that have benefits such as reduced heart rate and disease throughout their entire lifetime. Down here you can see the recommended book I decided to choose for the children. It is Be Good to Your Body. It's a cute and easy book to read for young children, especially ones that are just learning to read, because it involves coloring and different recipes just to look over, and it is good with their parents and children. Even though it is a children's book, the parents are recommended to help them go throughout and learn the different recipes. Here is the website listed below for that book if you would like to purchase it. Then it comes on to why should being healthy be a priority. This one is a well-documented way for families to be healthy. It includes things as vegetables and grains to eat and what not to eat. And this way they are less likely to smoke or use marijuana to drinking alcohol. It lets kids invite their friends to dinner and want them to eat healthy as well. It keeps the mealtime calm and friendly, there's no lectures or arguing, and you bring the family together. In order to be healthy, you have to stock up on the healthy foods. Right here in this portion, you can see that the kids, especially the younger ones, will eat at home from what their parents have cooked them, and that is supplied to them. Listed below are the guidelines to what it is to be healthy. Less sugary drinks, to whole grain meals, the limit of fat intake. And here is a website listed below in order to get there to learn more about healthy eating. Now I also listed the fun activities for healthy children of the future. This website has interactive games for children that comes down to flashcards and coloring sheets to different types of interactive nutrition games and recipes. This is a good game for young children to older children, to having parents interact with their children in order to eat healthy. And there is my newsletter for children and their families.